طلبت الحكومة الصومالية من موفد الأمم المتحدة نيكولاس هايسوم مغادرة البلاد، متهمة إياه بالتدخل المتعمد في الشؤون الداخلية. وقالت وزارة الخارجية الصومالية في بيان إن هايسوم لم يعد مرحبا به في الصومال ولم يعد بإمكانه العمل في البلاد.
The United Nations representative to Somalia has been ordered to leave the country. A statement by the Somali Foreign Ministry said Nicholas Haysom, a South African national, had deliberately interfered with the country's sovereignty. There's been an increasing tension in the country over the past few months between pro-government forces and Islamist militant group Al-Shabaab. In October 2018, Mokhtar Robo, a former number 2 leader of the terrorist group Al-Shabaab, announced his campaign to become president of Somalia's southwest state. But the government rejected his candidacy because of international sanctions against him. In December 2018, he was arrested, and protests between his supporters and pro-government groups left at least 11 people dead. The UN envoy Nicholas Haysom questioned the basis of Robo's arrest and expressed concern over the deaths of protesters. And today the Somali government asked Nicholas Haysom to leave, accusing him of interfering with the country's sovereignty. The BBC's Somali reporter Khalid Baroud brings us the latest update from the capital, Mogadishu.
The federal Somali government's decision to expel the country's top UN diplomat comes after the UN envoy expressed concerns over last month's violence in Baydhabo, southwest Somalia. Nicholas Haysom also questioned the legal basis for the arrest of former Al-Shabaab deputy leader Mokhtar Robo, who was a front-runner in regional elections held in late December. Protests over his arrest led to the deaths of at least 11 people. And Mr. Haysom questions the way the UN-sponsored police force has dealt with the demonstrations. The UN is yet to react to Somalia's request for the removal of the UN envoy. The country relies on international donors and partners for key sectors like security and governance. The Somali government is currently locked in a battle with the Al-Qaeda-affiliated militant group Al-Shabaab. Al-Shabaab regularly carries out suicide bombings in Mogadishu, which often results in mass civilian casualties.
أمرت الحكومة الصومالية مفد الأمم المتحدة نيكولاس هايسوم بمغادرة البلاد لاتهامه بالتدخل المتعمد في الشؤون الداخلية. وقالت وزارة الخارجية في بيان مساء أمس إن الممثل الخاص للأمين العام للأمم المتحدة لم يعد مرحبا به في الصومال ولم يعد بإمكانه العمل في البلاد، وذلك بعد بضعة أيام من إعراب هذا المسؤول الأممي عن قلقه إزاء تصرفات الأجهزة الأمنية الصومالية التي تدعمها الأمم المتحدة، وذلك في أعمال عنف مؤخرا أسفرت عن سقوط عدد من القتلى.
Thông báo Bộ Ngoại giao Somali nêu rõ, đặc phái viên Tổng thư ký Liên Hợp Quốc Nicholas Haysom không được yêu cầu và không được phép làm việc tại nước này, chính thức tuyên bố ông là người không được hoan nghênh. Hiện chưa có bình luận từ phái bộ Liên Hợp Quốc tại Somali về quyết định của nước chủ nhà. Hôm 30 tháng 12, ông Haysom gửi thư tới Bộ trưởng An ninh Nội địa Somali, bày tỏ quan ngại về việc lực lượng an ninh Somali đã trấn áp một cuộc biểu tình diễn ra từ hôm 13 đến 15 tháng 12 nhằm phản đối vụ bắt giữ cựu phiến quân Mokhtar Robo. Ít nhất 15 người thiệt mạng và 30 người khác bị bắt. Kể từ năm 1991, Liên Hợp Quốc đã duy trì một phái bộ tại Somali để viện trợ và bảo đảm bước tiến hướng tới hòa bình cho quốc gia vùng sừng châu Phi này.
الحكومة الصومالية موفد الأمم المتحدة نيكولاس هيسوم بالمغادرة اتهامه بالتدخل المتعمد في الشؤون الداخلية للبلاد. وقالت الخارجية الصومالية أن هيسوم لم يعد مرحبا به ولم يعد بإمكانه العمل في البلاد. كذلك بعد أيام من تصريحات للموفد الأممي أعرب فيها عن قلقه إزاء تصرفات الأجهزة الأمنية الصومالية التي تدعمها الأمم المتحدة في أعمال عنف مؤخرا أسفرت عن عدد من القتلى.
Somalia has expelled a high-ranking United Nations official from the country, accusing him of interference after concerns were raised about the actions of UN-supported Somali security forces. The Foreign Affairs Ministry said in a statement late on Tuesday that Nicholas Haysom is, quote, not required and cannot work in this country, unquote, effectively declaring him persona non grata. The United Nations is a major backer of Somalia, which is trying to recover from over 2 decades of civil war. The government's move comes after Haysom expressed concern over the alleged involvement of UN-supported security forces in the arrest of Mokhtar Robo, a former Al-Shabaab commander who was stopped from contesting the presidency of the Southwest region in December. The soldiers are also alleged to have fired at people protesting Robo's disqualification.